At Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver, we put our hearts into protecting your home. As the go-to roofing company near Cherry Creek, Denver, Colorado, we take pride in delivering unmatched craftsmanship and care. Whether it's a minor repair or a complete roof replacement, we treat your project like ours. Every nail, every shingle, and every detail reflects our commitment to excellence. We offer premium roofing materials, from sleek metal to timeless asphalt shingles. Each solution is designed with your vision and Colorado's rugged weather in mind. Struggling with insurance claims? Let us shoulder the burden. Our team fights for what you deserve so you can focus on what matters most. With decades of experience, we've built more than roofs. We've built trust. Your satisfaction fuels our passion for delivering lifetime roofs. We don't just stop at roofing. Our gutter services ensure your home stays safe from water damage. Protecting your home is our top priority. Proudly serving Cherry Creek, Denver, we're more than a roofing company. We're your neighbors. We're here to safeguard your home and bring you peace of mind. Call us now at 970-545-0020 or visit sites.google.com/view/roofing-near-cherry-creek-co. Let's create a roof that keeps your family safe and secure. Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver. Your home deserves a roof with heart.